Hi everyone, in today's video I will test this Alpine amp and make a small comparison for fun with my main amp, because this is not my amp, but I will test it. The equalizer is this. Normally it have a shield on this, but I don't know where is it. We got fuse here, and that's power cables. I know these are really weak, too weak for this amplifier, but yeah, I hope it will not burn out. Okay, now this is my main amp. It sounds horrible, but it's okay for me, for it got some power and it's small to keep it here. But if I wanted to listen to music with more quality, I will use my bigger amp. But now let me show you how this sounds, and after that I will wire the biggest amp here. And notice the sound will be probably E-rape, especially on this one amp, but the other one have too much power for my mix, and my mics just go E-rape. Okay, here we have my subwoofer, and headphones are recommended for this video. So let's get started. I think this is enough, and I forgot to mention I have some lights here, and yeah, we can see this on video. Okay, now let me wire this amp. Okay, one thing I forgot to mention is I will not use the full volume for any amp in this video. So let's power in. Let's power this up. I forgot to mention also I will use this PC power supply for get more amps for this. And yeah, we can see here the power draw. Okay, now it's powered. The fan starts spinning and all is good. Probably blow up the fuse. Okay, that's too much power for my desk. cables are hot.